Well, the Professional Academy's Magnet program at Lofton High School trains students hands-on in automotive technology.
And those students have a new challenge, one more typical of a movie screen than the classroom. Jenny Tintner joins us now in the studio. Jenny, what's this car people are talking about?
You know, it looks more like the Batmobile than a regular car. It weighs about 4,000 pounds and costs $250,000. That's just one of the devices donated today by a local defense firm. Students were able to open up the hood and check it out.
We're talking about our brakes and suspension too, a little bit about
Christian Walsh has been working on cars all of his life.
but
But today, he's working on a vehicle you'd expect to see Batman driving.
this is going to be a lot different. It's all custom made, it's all fabricated. This is going to be like a playpen for us.
Students at Lofton High School are working on two military-grade devices donated by local defense firm Phalanx Defense Systems. The Mechanical Armored Navigational Terrain Interface Stealth System, or MANTIS, was designed to be dropped behind enemy lines for special operations.
The Mantis is a bullet-resistant vehicle, and it's primarily stealth, which means it's invisible to thermal, radar, and various infrared, so it allows it to become invisible electronically.
Coates says he designed the Mantis for a military contract, but missed the deadline by 3 weeks.
It is the most expensive mistake we've ever made. It's what you do with your mistakes and failures that define your path.
He's donated it to the school to have the students come up with new ways to use the vehicle, and one day send it back to the military. The other device Coates donated is a deactivated bomb disposal robot named Kirby.
Understanding the mechanics is very important, but also shape and design and how they come together to create a product, and then more importantly, how do you take that from paper or computer to an actual in-usable product?
Coates says he was voted most likely to not succeed in his high school yearbook.
Right now, the
He's
engine's in
using
the back,
that
and it's a
label as
modified-
motivation to show students his success and how they too can prove people wrong.
Hey! You know, working on a truck out there, you got to do a repair. You can't really let your imagination run wild and do whatever you want to it, really. This over here, we can put our ideas into it and see what works.
The school will be opening an engineering and robotics magnet academy this fall. The Mantis will be part of that program.